Hi guys, welcome back to another training video, and today we will be discussing special forms. So our special forms are BIR forms and permits and benefits for SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, and any business related documents. So first, let's discuss BIR forms. So here are the default items you can see here. Let's try to go to income tax for corporation. Example, let's click that one, and let's try to add for corporate income tax January to September. View clients. We already have one, but if we wanted to add new clients under this January to September income corp tax, we can do so. XYZ, ABC, add selected clients. So there you go. We can add it here. Again, let's try another one. Let's try VAT 2550. If you wanted to add for July to September, let's add ABC, XYZ, you can add selected clients, so it will show here. So it will also show in this project. If we will be searching example ABC, you can see the VAT that we just did and the corp income tax. So both are here. So we're done with tax. So what if we don't have it here? We can add BIR form. Let's try donor tax. So submit. So for the donor tax, we can add our clients. Example again, ABC, XYZ, Invictus, sample. There you go. And that is how we add clients under BIR forms. And for the, let's try this one, SSS, for the government mandated contributions. Example, SSS. We can also add client here, similar to what we did a while ago. There you go. Just to keep in mind that the clients that you can see here can only be seen if we have, again, we can only add clients here, or we can see their name here if we did check the boxes upon enrollment. So ABC Corporation. Okay, so that is it. So now let's try to go to projects per client. For example, the XYZ Corporation. Let's see here. So for example, we want to check the BIR forms of that client. We can check this. These are the forms that we just did a while ago. This is per client view of the special projects. Again, for the SSS, let's try that one. For XYZ Corporation, this is the SSS. So let's try another one. Let's try to go to ABC Corporation. Oops. ABC Corporation forms. You can see also it's here. All of the ones that we did is listed down there. So yeah, similar. That's how you add clients also as well here, similar to what I just showed you. So if you have any other question related to this training video, feel free to email us again at support@ollie.com.ph.